Gusty one today out here. The trees are just blowing and swaying. It was a nice day though, got up to 70, went down to the beach, found some rocks, but the wind is definitely something. But the garden's doing good. Had some good amount of rain on Monday. It just came down. I mean, barrels of rain were falling, and they're loving it. So really coming along. But got a lot planted in the garden out here. Got peppers in this row, peas in the second row in there, and today we just dropped seeds beyond that trellising, and we'll get more trellising and run it back once they sprout. This space here has not been planted yet. It is still doing its thing. Back there, you can kind of see there is some sunflowers back there. We'll see how they do. I just wanted to get them in the ground so they could grow. Row of tomatoes, 2 rows of tomatoes here, and half a row of tomatoes back there. We got a watermelon, zucchini, row of cucumbers with a tomato in the back, and a row of corn. So lettuce is definitely coming along. Herbs are in these pots here, growing around the tops of the post. Got some cilantro, some basil, some dill, and some parsley we're waiting on to sprout. But long story short, we got to get a couple more things in the ground here. I'm probably gonna put a row of potatoes in here too, right through the middle, and we'll see how it goes. Anything you think I need, let me know. Otherwise, we're just gonna keep on running it. Tomatoes, we're gonna just get dumped on with tomatoes. Hopefully, have some good canning this year. I'll walk you over to the coop here. Okay, you can kind of see it there. Threw a coat of paint on the chicken coop today. Made it look a lot nicer. Definitely a lot better than it had before. Really just, I mean, before it was hodgepodge. You can see it in the videos on it. But yeah, so these 2 walls are painted. The back 2 walls are shingled. Just really, you know, it's hodgepodge, but that's chickens. So coming along good over here. Let me know